Merge k sorted list. Question 23. This question is tagged hard. Anyways, similar to all the sorted question, all the sorted linked list we've been doing in the past, I think this should not be hard to solve, even though it's tagged hard. So let's look at this now. We're given an array of k linked lists. Each linked list is sorted in ascending order. Merge all the linked lists into one sorted linked list and return it. So now before we did a question that had two sorted linked lists. Now we have multiple sorted linked lists. All we have to do is to, instead of using assuming it is two, we just have to assume it's multiple, so we have to do multiple for loops. So then we sort all these guys into an array and then convert the array back to a linked list and then return the new linked list. So without further ado, let's get started. First thing I'll do is to extract this definition, and if you have noticed, you see that I have moved back to light mode from the dark mode LeetCode gave me yesterday. I think the dark mode is kind of not consistent with what we've been used to, and it's not making the video conspicuous. So I have a dark theme on my YouTube, and the dark mode is now making my video look so dark, like I can't even notice that I have a video there. So light mode is going to make the difference show, so that's why I switch back to light mode. If you want me to switch back to dark mode, let me know in the comment section. So let's continue. Now I have extracted the definition for the list node. Now we want to start working. So what I want to do first is to create an hash map that is going to contain individual how should I put it, individual element. So hash map that is going to contain all the ones, hash map that is going to contain all the fours, all the five, like that. So I'm going to say a map list. So with this I can easily do some magic. I can now say for each so now we have, so I can say for each list of lists, and then I can say current, let current equals this list, and then say while current is not equals null. Why are you using 3 equals null? Let's say, let me have this my array here. Array equals this. No, I'm not using array. Don't even know why I did that. So I say y is not equals this. I'll say if map list, if not map list. That means if I've not seen you before, I'm going to create a new map list. I'll say map list. Let me extract the value. Say value equals current dot value. I'll say if I've not seen map list dot value before, say map list dot value equals new array. I'll say map list dot value equals dot map list value comma value. So with this now we've successfully extracted all these guys, all these elements into this map list. Now what we want to do is to convert these guys into an array. They are currently an object. I want to convert it into an array. So what are we doing now is, and at the same time please let not forget to do current equals current dot next. So we do not get into infinity loop and say this guy equals this, and I'll say for const element of object dot keys of map list, and then I'm going to convert it into, now this one converts all the keys into an array. I want to sort all the arrays. Sort the array, you know how we sort. Say comma b is going to give us a minus b. Now I will now say array dot push map list dot dot dot, don't forget that, the map list of elements. So with this now we've successfully converted our objects into an array. So now what we want to do now is to convert this array into a new linked list. So what we can do there is to create a new head that we are going to return, and we're going to create a new current and say null. You know how we do that, how we convert. We've been doing this for a lot of our past videos. So we say if not new head, what I'm going to do is new head equals new linked node elements, and then we say current equals new head, and else I'm going to say current dot next equals new list node element. Let's say current equals to current dot next. So we have this now. We've successfully converted our array to a new linked list, and we can say return new head. So with this set of code, I think that's why it's being tagged add, because there's a lot of conversion from one data type to another, from linked list to object, from object to array, from array to linked list. So but if you understand how linked lists work, I think this should be easy. So let's see if this code works for our examples that we have here. Great, so everything works fine, all our examples are working fine. Let's see if this code solved for all our edge cases. So submit and let's see if it works. So great, it worked. 182 milliseconds, bit hop 56%. Oh my goodness. So now this our code is working, it worked fine. Like I always say, there are rooms for improvements. Maybe later I can go through the code and see how I can improve it, but that is not this video concern anymore. Hope you enjoyed this video and you learned one or two things. If you have any question, please drop it in the comment section. We see you in the next video. Bye bye.